Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. I spy a stang, and there she is. There's a GT 500 Cobra. It's got 07 on it. Let's see, just for the heck of it, if it is a... Oh, look at that. You are beautiful. I don't have to worry about license plates. That's great. Got the end of ram intake. Firestones. Brembo brakes. What year? It is an 07. Yes. 07 GT 500 Shelby. Well, it is the GT. And it is a Shelby. Yes, we do. We do. 500. This puppy is. And it came from Superior Auto Sales. Ain't that something? That is gorgeous. 07. And something about Rand B Customs. SVT rims. I know. I'll be looking for one of these. And it has, she's got 285, 40, 18s. And she is a 6-speed. Any dash emblems on it? All leather, of course. Ford Racing. Very functional intakes on her. We have a Cobra. Got back seats in it. Very nice. All white and blue. Alright. Let's see if I can look under the tail real quick here. Let's see. Let's see for the heck of it. You got different front and rear? That's what he's got. So we got 285, 40s, 18s in the rear. I want to see if we got difference in the front. We got 255, 45s in the front. That might be an interesting combination to put on mine. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. We'll catch you on the next. I spy